Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add blind transitions in CapCut. So here I've already added 3 videos and I want to add the blind transitions to my videos right here. So I'm going to just go to the transition box, this one. So you can find the blind transition under the slide category in the transition. So you can just swipe until you find slide, click on that and just swipe until you find blind, this one, click on that and then adjust the durations into how much you want the transition to last. I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds. Then just click on apply to all if you want to apply to all of your clips and click on a check icon. And here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.